Let it be said, boys and girls, that even though this is a quick video, it is a well thought out video. This is a time lapse of turning an anime character, or manga character, or manga character, depending on which way you go, turning it into a caricature, or just trying to westernize the artwork. So, I hope you enjoy it. I was going to start off with one character, but admittedly, I really like how I did with another character. So, if you've seen My Hero Academia, you're going to love what you're about to see next, I think. My wife liked it. If my wife likes it, you guys like it, right? Isn't that usually how that plays out? I think that's how it plays out. Anyway, a quick time lapse of DEKU. If you're digging this right now is a good time to hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell button, you know, all that good stuff, because yes, this is to get your subscription right now. This video for you, just saying. So yes, though this is an obvious attempt to get your subscription, which I hope you consider subscribing, at the same point in time, I'm trying to find something that people would actually like, that could be a channel thing that people actually appreciate. So if you enjoyed this, let me know in the comments below another anime character that maybe we should try drawing and turning, either westernizing or caricaturing into something that looks rather similar. This is all about trying to get likeness in cartoons. I think it's rather intriguing. Also, don't forget to check out my Patreon, patreon.com/draw2muchcaricatures. Join our class. Our next class is going to be December 14th, and we're going to be actually looking over some caricatures that people have drawn of me, which is actually kind of funny. Actually, that might be worth making a video on. Anyway, comments down below of things you want to learn and things that you might be excited about. And if you want to learn more about drawing caricature, then come and join our online class December 14th at 12 p.m. Mountain Time. Come hang out with us. It was a ton of fun. We had 2 students in the last class. We'd love for you to be in the next one. God bless you guys. We'll see you next time in the next video. If you enjoyed this, please hit that like button. And if you enjoyed it, if we get a couple likes and I can see that people like it, I have another character already done, and I'm willing to release it to you. but I need you to prove to me that you enjoyed it. And also let me know down below, who should I draw next? See you in another video. Bye!